saw 2 rabbits over there too.
Really?
Yeah, on the field. There was 2 rabbits on the field. Is this where the showers are? Is it down there?
Down there.
Oh no, it's not.
What's the name of the bay or sea that we're going? Well, obviously the Irish Sea, but what's the name of the bay then that we're going to?
Half of man.
Oh, that's the one. Can you spell that, Matthew?
Oh, it's really What does that? Oh.
No, we went up that walk, you know, that I was saying we should go on. You can see that island.
Oh, is that over here?
Is that right, Mike, that you got an allergic reaction to the milk here on the island, or kind of it wasn't to your taste buds or something?
Something was. Those are there, the showers.
What's
Let's go look.
You're a shower.
Look, you see that white pile?
Yeah, what are they going to do with them? What are they going to do with them, Matthew?
They crush it up and then put it in.
They put it in the ground.
Yeah, they crush it up and then put them in the ground.
Why?
Because it gives them extra minerals or something.
Ooh.
Mike said.
Yeah. Silica and
That's so
something
cool.
like that. Calcium. Who knows?
All the seals. Seal.
Where's seal?
You have to go closer.
Ooh. No, that is nice.
เขามาดูเซียวเหรอ เขาดูแมวน้
Oh, the water looks even worse now than before.
Really?
Yeah, look at the water like that.
So strange water up here.
It's because it has to travel through here.
Yes.
And the moon pulls it
Yes.
the other way. Wind pushes it the other way.
Who taught you that?
Mike.
Oh, there you go. You're listening, eh?
Yeah.
Well done.
ำตัวนี้เรากำลังจะมาดูแมวน้ำอะไรเนี่ยหองมันคือหองน้ำอ๋อตรงนี้มันเป็นน้ำไหลอ๋อตรงนี้มันเป็นน้ำไหลน้ำทะเลไหลแปลกดีปกติมันจะเป็นเขื่อนแต่ว่าตรงนี้เป็นน้ำไหลมันเป็นน้ำไหลพี่น้องแปลกดีน้ำไหลลงหูกระต่ายหูเป็นหมองตายเยอะหูกระต่ายมันคือหูกระต่ายขี้เหี้ยจะลงไปยังไงล่ะเที่ยวพาแมวน้ำเห็นแมวน้ำจักตัวเขาลูกเฮียวิดมีเฮียมาดูลูกคาเมล่าวิด There, Andy, you
Oh
see.
my god, there's a big fat white head. Sorry.
Oh, really cute. Look at that.
Look at the white one.
Yeah. You
The
see?
head's fat, yes?
Yeah. There, have another one over there, look.
He's relaxing or eating leaflet, I think. He's not white though, is he? He's got a grey head, yeah?
Jessica, you see or not? They have two one there.
Yeah. Oh, pretty cool. I love it when the water moves.
There, over there, one more over there.
Yeah, three I can see in my electric here. One.
Yeah. Where they go now? Oh, there. Aww. What is that one? I see on the log. You see the big on the log there? You see or not? Just can you see on the log there?
There's a big rock there coming up when the water moves, yeah.
I can't see mosquitoes. I see them.
ตรงนี้เหมือนมันน้ำไหลใช่ไหม Allow here look like the water moving.
Yeah.
It's not like a moving somewhere.
There's one over there.
Where?
Near the connectors.
ไหน
Yeah. Yeah.
ไหนไม่เห็น
Imagine like a seal being right underneath you.
หนูได้ยินเสียงมันด้วย I can hear the snoring.
Big angry, there's another seal that wanted to come near. Yeah?
นี่กล้ามาดูกับแม่นี่กล้ามาดูกับแม่นี่ชัดเจนดี Anyway, they're not scared human then.
See what he did, Your camera must be pretty good to zoom in, huh?
Yeah. I see them do anything there. Oh, quite a lot, more than 10, Andy. Yeah. See there?
I saw them.
There.
So the camera's okay, it's not brilliant, is it? Not like binocular.
You think?
Some of the good lenses cost about 25,000. Yeah. How much can you get into a... Did they bump you?
Where they are now? Over there. There. Zoom in now. Oh, look at that.
What?
There, they go through there. Like. They eat fish, huh? Around here has to be a lot of fish. Lots of people over there. Do you see anything, Jessica? What are you doing? Where they go now? แม่โอ้โอ้ยเย่แม่ได้นะโอ้มันหายไปแล้วพักกันพวกนี้พักกันไม่เห็นอหย่างวะ Don't make noise
I like the way the water moves, no? Every direction.
They're not moved before on one side
Just saying I like the way the water moves. It's kind of nice to look at. Relaxing.
Want to go sleep huh
Everything's about sleeping and eating.
Photo เอาวิดีโอวะเนี่ย Photo Where am I up there ยานี่พวกเดสกินอันนี้
Probably on my Matthew skin, huh?
Why like to stay here อันนี้คือสาหร่าย
It would be really like
Matthew seal the Matthew seal Matthew seal the eat seaweed อ่ะนะ
no, they eat fish.
Oh fish like to stay here is why seal coming
I think they do really well at the restaurant last night, the fishery. I think they give the staff a headache for that. Every time they eat something and I'm like, chef say, I can't keep up with the demand, you know.
ไปกันหน้ามาจ้าหันหน้ามาแล้วฮะแม่ฮะทำไมอ๋ออย่าไปเอาเท้าไปลงน้ำขนาดมากะนี่คือการบังคับและขู่เข็นนี่คือการบังคับและขู่เข็น
For some reason it feels
เจ็บดากกันเลย
jet dark. Yes, it hurts to sit in here. It's sort of a lot. I think someone's gonna jump in the water.
ว้าปิดเอา
Oh no, they're just sitting there. Okay. Oh, I see Mike. I see Mike. What? Mike's over there. I think he wants us to come. Oh, it's Jessica's back this way, but back over there. Might come closer.
where Mike
Look, Jessica, look. It's over there.
hello see you
Our babies are.
ตอนเบบี้เหรอ
Yeah, they're play fighting.
fighting
That means it's like fighting, like playing in the water. Because if they're normally black if they're adults. They're black if they're adults, I thought. That's your trousers gonna get wet. Oh, they're gone now. All my positions not all my legs sleeping out. Oh. You're up smart sharp this way. And you want to do that. That's in my position. Okay, let's go now.
say bye bye see you ก่อน
Okay, Mum, let's go Oh yeah, Mum, when you walk past.
ฮะ What you say What is that Where I don't think they have any mushroom Where mushroom Oh It's not real mushroom Not the mushroom I want to pick it up
Oh, it's right. Oh.
มาถ่ายรูปหน่อยมาถ่ายรูปหน่อย
How nice. Oh,
แมทธิวอย่าดื้อหลายเดี๋ยวตอนหำเลยค่ะให้มันเห็นวิวหน่อยตรงนี้หาวิวนี่ต้องหันหน้าไปทางแดดจะกล้าถึงจะสวยให้มาเก็บมะชุมตรงนี้นี่ไง on the floor นี่I don't want mushroom like this it's not real mushroom to eat silly billy Oh that mushroom the people sell in the supermarket that one you remember that one I want mushroom to say my friend pick it only have
I
really
know what you mean.
yeah
We'll have to make sure we go one day.
I think so
You know, a wasp was in here. And it was attacking me.
what attacking you
A wasp.
ไม่ใช่เซียวป่ะ
No, it was no wasp in here. And I was like,
What with the seals, Mike? Is it not?
Yeah, they wouldn't hurt you.
No, I didn't think so. They were just a scared egg.
But
เอาแขนลงหน่อย
they
ทิ
might
ติ
be inquisitive,
ทิติเอาแขนลงหน่อย
but
Yeah, that would be a bit off-putting for me.
I wouldn't want to swim in that water.
Okay, what? A bit too rough?
Yeah, it's really
Cold?
Because if you get pushed into that really rough bit, I don't
Yeah. There'd be questions as to you. You'd be tested.
you'll be
No wonder.
tested your swimming skills.
too hot
We'll probably need like a thing to keep you afloat.
Wowsy. Wowzer, wowzer, wowzer.
What about bigger oh not good that one
Well, you could buy that house if it's for sale. Jeez, it's a little bit higher than the view of the bay. Maybe that guy's nicked it, hasn't he? The view with his house. Oh, there's that one there, Jessica. We got two. That might get a good view.
I did the kitchen in that house.
Did you? Oh, that's interesting.
Does it continue? Yeah, it does. It's pretty wobbly though.
Hold it steady, so try your best.
หันไปทางนี้ด้วยหันไปทางนี้มุกเอาคาเมล่าจะใส่
That's it. There you go.
go back
Yeah, that's it. There.
stay your hand still
I can't, it's really wobbly.
take that side
That's the rich guy's house on the mountain. On the hill. I saw apartment in the blue one.
Go up a little bit. Lift your camera up a little.